All right, everybody, we are here today at Indian Rock House Trail at the Buffalo River in Yellville, Arkansas. And this has been on our bucket list of one of the trails we've been wanting to do for a long time. So we're definitely pumped about that. It is freezing cold, as you can see.
I feel like Kanye West in that one music video.
She's Kanye West in that one music video. We know, you know what we're talking. We got Rennie here. She's just
Already marking her territory.
she's ready. All right, so we're gonna get on the trail, and we're glad you came to join us. Come on, Rennie. All right, we got a little hole in the ground over here. What are you? A ghoul or a gremlin?
I'm a wizard.
She's a wizard!
We have discovered a mine. And it says not to go in. But, you know us.
Pretty cool. There's definitely running water in there. Wow. Let's see that. How underground we are.
Whoa.
Pretty cool. All right, on our way out. All right, I'm going in that sucker, but I gotta get over there. All right, we are headed in there next, which is a cave inside of another very big cave. But we are going in there. We have made it across.
Oh, it's warm back here.
Oh,
Why is it so warm?
and look, more smaller tunnel systems. All right, we have made it. Oh, so warm. Oh my gosh, look everybody. Do you see the mosquitoes attached to the rocks? If you can, you see them? Oh my God, it's my worst nightmare. They're everywhere.
That's my cue to go.
It's time to get out of this warm mosquito
Watch
environment.
your head, watch your head, watch your head.
I haven't seen a mosquito since summer.
Since I left Louisiana.
Well, everybody, you know where the mosquitoes go during the winter. This cave.
This cave.
And look what we're walking out into. Just amazing. All right, everybody. As you've seen, we have just entered one of the bigger caves we've ever been in. And this one had an underground river system that we got to explore. A beautiful, just, oh my, it was just insane. Destiny played her flutes for quite some time. It was amazing, beautiful. She brought the energy to the cave, and hopefully we've left it with a really good energy of ours, and we definitely took away a lot of good energy from it. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes. We had about 8 or so people join us into the cave, and I was already playing my flutes, and it just, I won't say it has brought me in an immense amount of joy, but especially to be playing a Native American flute, an indigenous instrument, on Thanksgiving Day, an ode to the ancestors, the Native ancestors. And so I'm feeling really happy about that.
And not only that, Indian Rock House is the actual name of that place, and it was used for ceremonial use by the indigenous back in the day. But it was used for them to live, cook, sleep. Sometimes they moved up to 4 times per year in these parts just to follow the hunting and to follow the seasons. But it was really beautiful to be in a cave on this special day while Destiny played an indigenous flute. It was just beautiful.
Very
beautiful.
surreal
It
moment.
was very surreal. She got even a little clap. We're collecting some juniper berries for our friends and family.
Juniper berries symbolize protection. So got some gifts, little happies for our family, just because we're going to see them soon. And with their happies, we're going to put some juniper berries in their little sacks, so they'll be well protected.
Touching.
So many types of moss.
There's this type. There's this type. It's not as soft. Take my word for it. It's still soft though. This type. A little acorn head that I might keep it because I like it. To keep it. It's mine. This looks spiky, but it's not spiky. It's softy. And there's room. Found this acorn lid. You're gonna put it through your fingers like this, where you have the little V. Takes a few times.
That was good, baby.
Thanks. Got some more berries.
Good.
All right, we have collected the juniper berry.
The best thing about hiking in late winter, early fall, is just the openness of these beautiful trails. We are blessed.
Tree is this tree. What?
It is just in the middle of the trail, leaning on a pal.
So what I think has happened is that this was also connected like this, and it used to lean across over the trail. And then it snapped at one point, went stunk. But I wasn't here to see it, so I don't know.
It's so cool there.
That was cool.
We made it.
We made it.
All right, everybody, we have just finished Indian Rock Trail. We had so much fun. We are tired. The last loop of the trail is literally straight up the mountain, like hands and feet straight up the mountain. But we had so much fun. We feel super liberated. We feel super accomplished. We feel super excited. And we're ready to go get some laundry done so we can get ourselves packed up and ready to go to the coast so we can see our family.
We're so excited. And also, I wanted to add to it, it was not 3 miles. It was more like 4.5. So just beware.
It's not 3
miles.
miles.
Yeah, it's not 3, it's 4.5. All right, we love you. Namaste, beauty.